Welcome to Rome Tips. Don't forget to hit that subscribe button and give this video a thumbs up. All the links mentioned in this overview are down in the description below. This video reflects my personal experience using the service. Today, we're exploring Teladoc, found at www.teladochealth.com. This platform offers virtual healthcare services, allowing you to connect with doctors and other medical professionals online. This can be a fantastic resource for those who may have difficulty accessing traditional in-person medical care due to location, busy schedules, or other constraints. Teladoc offers a range of services, from consultations for minor illnesses like colds and allergies to managing chronic conditions like diabetes and hypertension. The website is designed to be user-friendly, guiding you through the process of setting up an account, choosing a provider, and scheduling your virtual appointment. One of the key benefits of using a service like Teladoc is the convenience factor. You can often schedule appointments quickly and easily, without the need to travel to a doctor's office or sit in a waiting room. Furthermore, Teladoc provides access to a wide network of healthcare professionals, which can be especially valuable if you're looking for specialists or need care outside of regular business hours. While Teladoc may not be suitable for every medical situation, it can be an incredibly helpful resource for many individuals. It's particularly convenient for addressing non-emergency medical issues, getting quick advice from a healthcare provider, or managing ongoing conditions. Before using Teladoc, it's important to understand the costs involved and check whether your insurance plan covers these virtual consultations. Information on pricing and insurance coverage can typically be found directly on the Teladoc website. The site also provides helpful resources like FAQs and customer support contact information to answer any questions you may have. Remember to check the specific services offered by Teladoc, as these may vary depending on your location and individual needs. Overall, Teladoc provides a modern and convenient way to access healthcare, offering a valuable alternative or supplement to traditional in-person medical care.